I had an imaginary argument with Van Morrison. I said, Van, what's the matter with you? He said, what are you talking about? I said, Van, there's something wrong. You're mean. And he said, I'm not mean. I said, yes, you are. He said, no, I'm not. He said, why do you say I'm mean? And I said, Van, it's everywhere, everybody knows it. And he said, you don't know me. I said, well, so? And he said, well, then I'm not me. And I said, and you drink? And he said, I like to drink. Do you? And I said, we're not talking about me. We're talking about you, Van Morrison. You're mean and you like to drink even when there's a lady on you. And he said, what do you think about that? And I said, well, I saw a picture. And he said, so? And I said, you were wearing sunglasses in your car. And he said, well, I needed them. I said, no, you didn't. You were in the back seat. And he said, I'm not mean. And I said, yes, you are. Everybody knows. And he said, well, nobody likes me. And I said, well, I know. Why do you think? Maybe it's because you're mean. And besides, Astro Weeks. And he said, what? Astro Weeks? That was a long time ago. And I said, yes, I know. And I like that album. And then what? And he said, well, there was sheep. And I said, well, Vegan sheep is like, there's a little bit good, but I don't have anything else of yours anyway. And he said, because I'm mean. And I said, see, you said it.